Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu, so let's press and hold it. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the option called Activities and Apps, select it and then press the Start/Stop button. Here, scroll down through the list, find the app you want to uninstall. For example, this one, we have the app called Color Memo, and let's say I want to uninstall it. Select it, then press the Start/Stop button. Here, scroll down, select the option called Delete from Device, and press the Start/Stop button. Then scroll down, select Continue, and press the Start/Stop to confirm. And the app will be uninstalled from your watch. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to uninstall the applications. So I'm gonna bring my phone here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Like this. And we have two, as you can see, I have two applications. I have Garmin Connect, this is the default app you use to pair the devices together, and the Connect IQ Store, which is the store app basically with the applications and watch faces for the Garmin watches. If you have the Garmin Connect app only, you can open it. Then you can tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and then select your Forerunner 245 from the list. Here you can tap on Activities, Apps and More. Tap on Activities and Apps. Find the app you want to uninstall from your watch. Tap on it, tap on Uninstall, and tap on Yes. And the app will be removed from your watch. If you have Connect IQ Store, you can also use it to uninstall the applications. So once you open it, you can tap on My Device right here in the bottom right corner. Here you can tap on My Device Apps, find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, and tap on Uninstall button, and the app will be removed from your watch. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.